You wake up at 5 a.m.
You take a cold shower.
Your daily checklist. People look at you and say, "You are so disciplined."
But have you ever felt like a pre-programmed robot?
Iron-clad discipline is often a self-imposed prison. If you do the exact same things at the exact same time, your brain is slowly dying from safety. We worship habits as the holy grail of productivity. Neuroplasticity. This is the brain's ability to change, learn, and restructure itself. But here is the catch. It is most active during novelty.
When you learn a new skill, your brain works at full capacity.
Navigating an unfamiliar path creates new neural connections. That is when you become sharper and more intelligent. Conversely, when you over-rely on a habit, you enter autopilot.
It cuts down energy and stops forming new connections.
It begins to dig cognitive ruts. Think of your brain like a forest. Habits are the beaten paths.
You will never know what lies behind the thicket.
Repetition creates efficiency, but it kills breakthroughs.
You become an expert at routine, but a novice at change. Safety is the enemy of the creative mind. Your brain thrives on challenge, not comfort. Without change, your mental flexibility disappears.
You lose the ability to think outside your own rules.
Time passes, but your mind stays in the same year. You are mapping a tiny portion of your potential.
Is this discipline, or is this just a habit loop?
Boredom is a signal that your brain is understimulated.
The more you stick to the script, the less you can improvise.
The world moves fast. Your habits keep you slow.
Constant comfort leads to mental decay.
Why choose a straight road when the curves make you a driver? Why are we addicted to habits? Because they are safe. The brain wants to save energy. It avoids decision fatigue. But the price you pay is cognitive stagnation. You feel like you are advancing, but you are on a treadmill.
I ran the same route for 5 years.
You might be fit, but your mind is becoming fossilized.
You will shatter the moment a real crisis hits.
A crisis does not care if you finished your morning routine.
The world's leaders are not mechanical. They are adaptable.
When you fear the unknown, you stop leading.
You don't own the habit owns you.
Don't trade your soul for a streak of checked boxes.
Flexibility is the only true security.
The solution is not to scrap habits. It is controlled chaos.
Turn your habits into a flowing river, not a stone. Intentionally break at least one habit every week. Shift the clock. Change your biological rhythm.
Change the route. See new faces and new buildings.
Flip your approach. Do the insane thing first.
Cross-learn. Study something completely unrelated.
These shocks reboot your neuroplasticity. It keeps you in a state of high awareness.
Be ready for whatever the world throws at you.
Master the art of the pivot. Habits are tools, not your identity. Be the master of your habits. Don't let them master you.
Tomorrow, do something different. Feel alive, not just operational.
If you found this useful, subscribe, like, and share. Comment below. What habit will you break today?